Hey, this is Cool Trains in Montreal. Looks like I got a train here at Dorval at the ramps. Could it be a freight? Looks like a freight train, yes! Amazing! An SD70ACU? No. It looks like it's going to be, oh yeah, a tank train, okay. Hit around 3:40 p.m. on the 16th of December 2023. I love those diamond symbols on those black tank cars. I think it's Met Petroleum Company out of Texas, I guess. So I get a single ES44 on the front, and usually they have a locomotive on the end as well. Well, it's been a while since I've seen a tanker train on CP or CPKC now. And it's slowing down, probably going into the yard. Be a solid tanker train. Oh yeah, I should mention there's a crane over there. They're actually building a new hotel over there near the VIA station. So not too long from now, there will probably be another building on that horizon. Sky looks pretty good. I mean, it'll be dark around 4:30, so I won't have too much time train spotting today. I only had about 2 hours of spare time that I could do it. What would be really cool is if a second train came the other way. You get a 2-for-1 here. That'd be awesome. Even a VIA train coming by would be great. Sounds like the end of the train coming. There it is, and the KCS locomotive. That's an SD70ACE there. And there it goes. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. I really like those Southern Belles. Have a great day.